I would just like to point out that it's 5:30. Hey, what's up, people? I'm going to Rhys, yeah. Long time no see, about a week? Yeah, a week. So, I've made up a couple of good ideas, yeah. One is like, I'm gonna be singing. You know Steve Kardynal? No, you don't know him. You don't know him. Well, you should. Anyway, I'll send a link right there. And basically, I'm gonna be putting in some earphones and then singing a song out loud. But to me, it'll be sound really cool. But to everyone else in the street, it'll sound fucking like really retarded. But yeah. So I'll see you when I get to Rhys. I'm arriving at Rhys' house right now. Here we go. What's up?
We're going to the doctor's right now.
Are you? Oh,
yeah.
Cool.
Which is awesome, but just a secret between me and you. Check out the feet work.
Go on, Emma. I can't see on this. Well, you can move.
I can move.
You can
walk.
dance.
I can dance.
You heard the man. He's going to the hospital. Right, so you're probably wondering why he's gone to the hospital. No. Right. The reason, this is the truth now, the reason I haven't been on YouTube for ages is because me and Rhys were practicing for this dance. I have no idea where I'm going. Sorry if I do that, I just need to find the light. Anyway, me and Rhys have been doing this dance, practicing this dance for quite some time now, and well, Rhys trying to do this dance. He was like, "Oh, James, I found out this really cool trick. You could do it, it's pretty cool." So he tried to dance it and he broke his almost broke his leg. It was a really loud click. I'll show you the video now. Oh, that sounded painful. I'll pause it. That was the biggest click of my life. That's hilarious. Okay, now where am I going? I'm going down a really long alleyway. I didn't know where the heck I am. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, alright, anyway, so, yeah, now you know where we've been, but don't worry, this isn't the last time we'll be holding YouTube off for a bit, but don't worry, it's not going to be permanent. We'll never ever leave YouTube permanently, so don't worry about that. But yeah, anyway, about this thing I was talking about before, it's freaking freezing here. Anyway, I'll be basically, so I'm just heading home now because Rhys ain't coming out. Usually this is what I do, I just go to his and, you know, just talk about ideas of films we can do and stuff. But, as I said, we've got a project right now, so, yeah. Hold on, we got a project. Basically there's this dance in school that I'm going to do, and, yeah, that's pretty cool. But hey, I've got a question. I've got a question. Right, what would you prefer me to do the song, you know, with the earplugs in, just singing to myself? What would you rather me do? Go in school and do it, or go into a town, a public town, like a really public town, like proper public? Because I was thinking, if in school it would be a lot more random, because you know it's a school, but in town it would be a lot more annoying for everyone, and somebody would probably run up to me and kick me in the balls or something. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm so cold. I got like the sniffles. So yeah, leave me in the Jew bar, whatever you think, yeah? So, this is a Jew out. Just keep on trolling. No. Keep on Jewing. No. Okay, right. Here's 2 questions I want. Right, question 1. You know, where do I want to be? Question 2 is, what do you want me to call you guys? Because I have to give you a name. I can't just call you commenters or comments. Leave me, guys. What do you want me to call you? Jews? No? That sounds a bit weird. Right, see ya. Just tell me. See ya.